Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Minecraft remote host problem. Click here, go to control panel and then go to Java, then go to advanced, scroll down until you find here enable advanced security settings. First option here, enable it, apply and OK. Now close this window, go to apps, just type here Minecraft launcher. Right click on it and go to app settings, scroll down and click repair, close this one and then go to task manager, go to startup, make sure to enable this one, Java updates. Maybe you'll find it like that. If you find it like that, just click enable and then restart your PC and your problem must be fixed. Don't forget to like and see you in the next video.